Hello, amazing customers. Did you want to build your dream home here in Ghana? I'm here to share with you how much do you need to build this luxury house here in Ghana. Let's go. Yeah, hello, amazing customers. We are working in Accra, a place called Asofa, and I'm here today to share with you everything that you need to know concerning construction here in Ghana. As you can see, I really love this customer roofie. Just look at how the roofie looking so beautiful and so marvelous from afar. I always saying that if you are planning to build here in Ghana, give your work to the right person, so that the right person do something beautiful for you. Because in terms of construction, only a mason can beautify your house fully. That be why we have a mason, we have a steel bender, we have a plumber, we have a painter, we have a stone layer. Each one of them have their role that they are playing on your building before everything will be complete and looking so beautiful, as you can see. Yeah, so whatever it is, just give us a call. Steven Stone Design there for you, as you can see. So you could see that this design is done by a window designers. It not be every mason that can do this design. You have some professional people that their work, this be their work that they do for the living, that we call them window designers or coping designers here in Ghana. Here, any ordinary mason can do something like this. So if it's some mason be because of hunger, it tell you can do the same thing, not do for you now. Don't blame him, because that not be his professional. So if you need a window design, something like this now, I think I know people that they do the same way, so I can recommend them for you, so that they can enjoy something beautiful for you, like how they see. Wow, just give your work to the right person, and the right person will do something beautiful and original for you, as you see. So beautiful. Wow. As for this video, I really jealous the roofie. Charlie. The roofie sheet is on point. Pepper, they're looking nice and beautiful. Then do the same thing on the pillars also. That view, I'm saying that before making your house complete, you need every types of construction workers. Only a mason can make your house complete. So when you reach a plumber in 10, can give the work to the original plumber. When you reach window designer in 10, give the work to a professional window designer. Because the reason we say in Ghana here, only one man, like maybe some mason, they will tell you, see, maybe like they do steel bender, they do plumbing, they do here and here and here and here. And at the end of the day, one person can never be professional on every way. You understand? Because everybody have a weak point. I don't know, you understand me? Like the truth and the fact we say, like, if a one person tell you that he professional be 5 work now, the person will surely be professional on some way and be weak on some way. You do understand me? Me like this, I am a professional stone designer, and I also know how to fix I also know how to fix a task also, but don't do task for people and take money. The task I can do it professional with, but since like my focus is not there now, it can never look professional as like a retailer, cause he is doing the thing each and every day. You understand me too? Stonework be my work. You understand me? Me too. Stonework be my work that me too I do each and every day. So that be where my professional day. You understand me? Somebody can know the job, but it's not really professional that like people that they enjoy the thing each and every day. Because of those people they learn experience each and every day, each and every day, each and every day. So that be why I'm saying that when you are building here in Ghana here now, kindly when you reach the mason in term, the foreman in term, give the work to the foreman. When you reach the mason in term, give the work to the mason. When you reach the plumber in term, give the work to the original plumber. But let your foreman or your mason also supervise the work also. You understand me? Give him some money, so maybe my mason, maybe like the plumber that maybe you involved or maybe I involved now, go and be checking on him day after day so that everything he's doing is on point. Because at least on the mason, because your foreman also have a knowledge about the construction work. I hope that you understand me. So when you reach maybe like the how do you call the glass window in them, give the work to them. When you reach this guy in 10, give the work to people that they are professional. You understand me? That they will do the writing for you. You see, because in construction, all of us together that make your building look so professional and beautiful. When you reach the painter in 10, give the work to the original painter so that they do the same thing for you. As you can see, you see. Just look at the copying design, you see. You understand me? And look at the back. You see, so neat and beautiful. You understand me? So neat and beautiful, as you can see. Yeah, so maybe you are watching me right now. You want to build here in Ghana, maybe your dream home in Ghana, yeah. But ask yourself a question, be like how do you call? Like, do you have a family here? Like, do you have a friend here that maybe when you buy the land that a problem happen now, your friend can follow up? I don't know how you understand me. Like, before go do any investment in Ghana here now, you have to ask yourself several questions. You understand me? Or maybe like you are living in abroad, you want to build, so you want to buy some land in Ghana here. You see, who is going to buy the land? When they buy the land today and there's a problem now, who is going to follow up? You understand me? So that maybe when you ask yourself that question now, you know if you are going to involve, if you are going to go for some estate land that it be so genuine or some normal land and somewhere. You do understand me? Cause where you are coming from will determine if you are going to go for maybe some estate land that it be so genuine, there will not be a problem, or a normal land. Because more time in Ghana here, a normal land can involve some problem in the future, whereby maybe you have to be there, you have to talk again, you understand? Because here in Ghana, here they can sell a land to somebody and the person will not be paying, and they will later sell you another person again. And when you start your project, before you face that small problems, so you have to know yourself before you involve yourself at the first place. You understand me? That be a Ghana here, you have a house already that they have been selling, and maybe you can buy that house and do your renovation on your body. You can go for some estate land, you can go for individual land and start your own thing. But all depend on you yourself, like you yourself also, before you know what you are really doing. You do understand? Because sometimes a land problem in Ghana here be something is a lot. You can buy the land today and tomorrow some people they will come, maybe the land to also belong to them. They are having their own papers here and there. So sometimes you have to understand the risk involved before you involve yourself also. You do understand me? But if you know that maybe you're outside the country now, you have to take your time and do verification and go to lands commission and so to make sure that the land will be genuine before you invest your money for inside. So that at the end of the day, your money will not look shakara. You understand me? So you have to study that for the first place before try to buy land in Ghana here. And second one also, now who are you going to trust also? You do understand me? Maybe thousands or billions of dollars, but maybe you can't build this house. You see, cause so maybe like your farmer you're missing, maybe it's not doing the right thing for you. You do understand me? So having a billions of city does mean that your house will complete for you. You understand me? By involve the right person, also help your ability to grow faster. You are down when you know that maybe you are involving one city, your one city will do something better for you. You understand me? The city will do something, the money will do something better for you. And one thing in Ghana here also, now there's people in abroad that when they say they are brothers now, they don't give them any commission. You do understand me? If you are living outside the country, that maybe you are trying to let your brother go ahead of things now, anytime you send him, give us some small money. If you saying give us some small money, so don't be like maybe pepper or something like that. When you say him, give us. Oh, I love it true. It's true. Like if you say your brother from here to Kaswana, give us some small money. If from here to Rosakana, give him money. But if you don't give him money, you go use his sense for your top. Yeah, so you go chop with chobo. You call him chobo. So when you say your brother, give him money. When you say your brother, give him money. When you send here to here also, now give us some small money, because that is also important. You understand me? You see, so that be what you have to consider before you involve yourself at the first place building in Ghana, because some people they started and later they regret a lot, but they can come out and speak. They speak because they are so emotional. So you have to know yourself at the first place. Who are you going to trust here and there before you say you are doing something beautiful here in Ghana? You do understand me? So as for this building, as the customer have done it with everything, he said that the building is not complete for him. So you have to involve a natural stones that will make the building look attention. So that will involve these natural stones to beautify the house for this customer. You see, in the beginning I tell the customer, so because of your roofing, let us involve a granite stones for the front view, which is be here, you see, and the other place the same thing, and maybe they done we can change them. But the customer, so you want the stone cladding, you see. So after we start for him now, he came and noticed that what I told him before, it was on point that there's no black stones on this color. So that way we stop here and start at the down. You understand me? Because the customer is saying that he want us to, maybe you think about here and see something, maybe if you use the same stones or not, or maybe if you use the granite stones now, you'll see how things going to look like. That beer you stop here for the meantime. Try to lay only the under the building all rounds. You understand me? Only the under the building all rounds, as you can see. You see, so that means the stone going to be under the coping. You see, when I say coping, you see this be the coping. So the stone going to be on the coping level inside all rounds the house. You see, all rounds the house, so that it's going to look so nice and beautiful. You understand me? So when you see the height now, as I come to me, I wish like it could be more than that, but this is how them to they want it. You see, so people they want their thing to be on normal way. You do understand me? When I come to your place, I will surely share my opinion with you. But if you say like what you want now, we do it for you. You see. So when you take a look, you see. You see. You, as you can see, you are laying the stones now under the coping. You see. Under the coping, as you can see. Under the coping, as you can see. You see. You see. We always saying that it's not necessary for you to plaster before laying a natural, so that you are then live here on a plastered. You don't need to plaster. You don't need to plaster. We can lay the stones direct for you, as you can see. So whatever I did, give us a call. I will start my conversation another day again. You understand me? Another day, I will be here to give you another update. I read about. So advice the baby say, before you try to invest your money in Ghana here, ask yourself a questions before you go ahead. You understand me? If you don't have nobody to trust, kindly go and buy estate houses at once. You understand me? You may say that estate houses be so expensive, but if it cannot take you, you will see that maybe what you do for yourself involve more money than to buy a estate house at once. You do understand me? So know about yourself before try to invest your one series here in Ghana here. The name is Saving Stone Design. Whatever a day, give us a call. Our service is available across the country. Bye bye.